Hello, my name is Vanessa Webb along with Kenny Harris, and we are going to take you through an EASE presentation. We will be discussing accreditation requirements along with presentation requirements and what to do when capturing your media. The first thing is your accreditation requirements. You would need a need statement, and this is going to be a reason why we are doing your particular activity. The next thing is your objectives, which I asked for a minimum of 3 objectives, and the statements need to describe what the learner will be able to know or do after participating in the CME activity. The third thing is your target audience and your post-test questions. And your post-test questions need to be a minimum of 5. They can be multiple choice or true or false. And there should be a conceptual link between the learning objectives and your post-test questions. For example, if an objective states that the learner will be able to define, match, or recall a definition, an ideal post-test question would clearly test for that objective. The next thing is your presentation requirements. And your PowerPoint slides need to be on the EASE PowerPoint template, which is actually the template that you see here on this presentation. The next slide would actually be your title and author. Then your second slide would be your disclosure information, and you actually received that information with your EASE packet that was provided. And then your third slide would be a brief need statement for that activity, which we previously talked about. Your objectives, polling questions, which we highly encourage you to include polling questions in your presentation. And we need your presentation to be 45 minutes or longer. This is an example of your polling question, and it's basically a question on a slide with the answer. And then on the next slide, the correct answer should be shown and give an explanation for why that answer is correct. The next thing that we go through is scheduling the presentation. I ask that you please communicate with me any delays or any problems that you may have by calling me or either emailing me. Then I ask that you send your PowerPoint presentation for approval, and once we approve this, then we will set a date for your dry run. Once we set a date for your dry run, I ask that you please have several dates in mind that we could go ahead and start to do your capture. And I'm going to turn it over to Kenny Harris, who is our multimedia specialist.
So basically what you'll be doing on the day of your presentation, you're just going to be sitting down at your computer giving a talk to your PC or your Mac. You're basically just sitting at your machine, and using Join.me, you're able to share your screen with us, and then I'll go in and capture what you're presenting. So all you have to do is download some software that allows you to share your screen with us, and then I will be able to capture your presentation as you give it to your computer. So this is an example of a finished presentation, what it might look like. We basically take your audio that we record from the presentation, we lay it under this nice EASE logo, and so it plays underneath. We take your slides and we turn them into high quality images, and the user is able to go back if they need to hear something that you said previously. All they have to do is skip through these slides to hear what you said. The audio and the slides sync up. This is just to give you an idea of what a presentation might look like. So we're going to show you how to download the Join.me app for your computer in order to share your screen with us. Go to join.me, join.me. Up at the top of the page, you'll find a button that says Apps. Click that. Once you click it, it gives you an option to download the Join.me app for either Windows or Mac. Pick the button that corresponds to your machine. Click the download and follow the prompts to install it on your computer. Accept the terms and install. Click Finish. So on the day of the meeting, all you have to do is open up your web browser on your PC or your Mac, and in the address bar, type join.me/CECentral. That's join.me/CECentral. This will bring you up to our conference room. You should be able to see any screen that's being presented at the time. At this point, as long as the Join.me app is installed on your computer, I'll be able to make you the presenter. This way, I will be able to see your screen and I'll be able to see the presentation that you are giving.
Thank you guys for sitting through the EASE presentation. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call or email me. My name is Vanessa, and I am the CE coordinator for East Online Education. You may reach me at vlwe222@uky.edu, or you may call me at 859-218-0342. Thank you.